Ngayong adlaw mga gaw, usa sa mong gibisita sa Mindanao is ang Rizal Shrine, 2.4 km away from downtown Dapitan, Zamboanga del Norte. Kung asa gi-exile si Rizal og 4 years by plotting the Philippine Revolution in Manila by the Spanish authorities. Diri makita ang iyang mga karaan nga dokumento uban pang mga gamit nga iyang gigamit sa una. Covering an initial area of 10 hectares, it is a collection of 5 reconstructed houses of bamboo and nipa originally built by Jose Rizal. One is the Casa Residencia, the biggest main house served as a Rizal residence. It has 1 bedroom and a surrounding veranda with views of the Dapitan Bay. And the Cocina, an outdoor kitchen with a hatch roofing and open walls for ventilation. It features a traditional banggerahan and a kalan fire-fueled clay stove.
Today we're here, Casa Cuadrada.
Casa Cuadrada is the square house located at the base of a hill. It serves as a workshop and a second dormitory for Rizal's students.